Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Catchberry's collection. Today I'll be teaching you people how I made this lovely gown. It's actually a bubu dress. So if you really want to know how I made this gown, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. So this is the material I'll be using. It's 3 yards here, and this is actually a sequin fabric, and it is stretchy somehow. So I just said, let me give it a try using this type of material to make a bubu dress. So now I folded my material into 4. So remember, I'll be cutting the back and front together. I'm marking out 3 inches as the neck width. So I have 3 inches here. So, and the sleeve length I'll be using is 22 inches, as you can see. So starting from the other edge, 22 inches. So I went down by 3 inches from the shoulder for the shoulder slope, and this is me connecting it to the neck. So please, while doing yours, if you are using this type of fabric, remember that it's stretchy, so just know how you will do it so that your material will not scatter. You can even use pin to hold yours. So down here I like using 14 inches. You can use 12, you can use 13, you can use 14, depending on the size and how fitted you want that down part to be. So this is it. So over here from the shoulder line, I'm going to, from the shoulder slope, I'm going to mark my half length, then went in by 2 inches here, connect it, then connect it to the shoulder slope. So from this down place, I'm going to connect it to the half length that I've marked. So this is it. It's not difficult, it's very simple to make. So over here, I'm going to mark my 1 inch neck depth because I'll be cutting the back first. So I used 1 inch neck depth and 3 inches neck width. So this is what I just did. This is it to shoulder slope. This is the sleeve to my half length, then connect it to the down. It's just that simple. Yeah. So this is me cutting it out. So please, when doing yours, just remember to hold with pin if you are working with this type of fabric, because it can scatter easily. Yes, you can even tell somebody to help you out, while cutting it. So this is it. This is the gown. So I've removed the back part. I have to recut the neck of the front. So I used 7 inches, and it's a V-neck. I used 7 inches neck depth for the front. So this is it. And the front, I'm going to cut it into 2. This is it, because it's going to have a belt at the center front. It's going to have a belt at the half length. So this is me marking out my half length. This is me marking out my half length. I'm going to notch it. That's where I'll be putting my belt, front belt. So this is it. This is the front. It has 2 pieces. There is 2 parts now. While this is the back. So I'm done with the cutting. Over to the sewing machine. So now I'm going to, this is the belt that I've cut out. This is the belt. This is my belt. And if I measure it, is 30 inches by length. You can use 2.5 inches by width also. So this is it. I want to join the two fronts together. So please, before you do this, you can either bias the neck of your fabric. You can bias the neck, whether both the back and the front. You can use bias to turn it. So this is it. This is it. See how I am attaching the belt at the place that I notched. So I'm sewing it with 1/2 inch. And remember, the front part of the gown has a little bit gather at the down part. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm plaiting it small so that the gather effect will show. This is it. You have to take your time to do this so that it will come out beautiful. Okay, I'm done with the joining of the center fronts together. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So after biasing the two necks, both front and the back, you can now join the shoulder of the clothes. So this is how I'm joining the shoulders. So this is it. You have to take your time. Take your time. You're not rushing to anywhere. So you have to take your time to do it. Okay? So do the same thing at the other side. So you have to take your time while joining it. Take your time and join. Take your time and join it. You are not rushing to anywhere. Okay, so this is it. I'm done with the joining of the shoulders. So over to the shaping of the clothes. Over to the shaping. Remember, I'm sewing it with 1/2 inch. It's a free outfit, so I don't need to shape it with 1 inch or 2 inches. Just 1/2 inch is enough. Okay, so please, if you are really enjoying this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So you have to do the same thing at the other side. I'm still shaping it. That's why I'm taking my time to show this. Okay, so I'm done with the shaping. So over to this down part. I want to attach these fringes to the down part of the gown so that it will look different from the ones that I'm seeing. Okay, so I have like up to 4 yards of fringes here. I wanted it full. So this is me taking my time here to sew the fringes on top of the fabric. As you can see, I'm taking my time to sew the fringes on top of the fabric. It's doubled. If you can see it, I'm sewing two together once. Can you see that? So you have to take your time and do this. You have to take your time so that your clothes will look fine. So this is the outcome. Can you see the fringes down there? Can you see? So please, if you really like my tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all. I love you.